In 2007, Barbara Tachi was at the top of her game. The healthy, athletic 49-year-old wife and mother of 6 was busy homeschooling her youngest 2 children, selling real estate part-time, and running a small farm in Virginia. Then a sudden illness took her on a journey that almost ended her life. Bounced from doctor to doctor at a teaching hospital in Virginia, medicine was practiced on her. Mistake after mistake caused a cascade of events that culminated in a massive stroke, leaving her in constant pain, her life forever altered. Practicing medicine is a cautionary tale of one woman's ordeal at the hands of the medical establishment. It's also the story of how this courageous fighter took back control of her health and recovery. In the wake of the devastation caused by the stroke, her faith and sense of humor came through undiminished. Barbara tells in detail her path to recovery, hoping to help others facing the ravages of stroke. In practicing medicine, she also speaks of the power of God to heal the human heart from trauma, betrayals, and losses unspeakable, showing us that the God who made the human heart can not only heal and comfort us, but make us unstoppable. Order your copy of Practicing Medicine today at roadsdogbookstore.com or download it instantly at amazon.com.